Hello friends, today I am going to talk about right way of eating nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are natural powerhouse, and to get all benefits of it, you have to eat them in a right way. There is a natural layer on nuts and seeds. That layer is called as a phytic acid layer, which protects them from spoiling and keep them as it is for longer time. Say for example, when we grow any seed, until you are not giving water to them, germination process will not start. So what happens here? The outer layer gets cleaned and then only germination process. Then think, is it good for your health to have them as it is? No, because this phytic acid layer disturbs the absorption of other micronutrients which are available in nuts and seeds. Also, there are many different types of toxins are available that also needs to be cleaned before eating. So, is it okay if we just clean it with water and have it? No, you have to soak these nuts and seeds for at least 8 to 10 hours and then have it. So when to eat these soaked nuts, or what is the right time? Always start your day with these soaked nuts and seeds. Having them in the morning will give you energy boost as they are rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, selenium, etc. Now everyone asks which all seeds we have to eat by soaking. You can take 1 tablespoon of watermelon seed, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed. They are very rich in vitamin E and B6. Also, you can add 5 almonds, 2 walnuts. Then if you are suffering from constipation, add 2 black raisins to it. Also in another vessel you can soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or sabja seeds. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Also you can have flax seeds with curd in the morning. Don't soak them at night because they form a jelly like structure which maximum people don't like it. Okay, all these seeds nourish a lot as they are nutrition dense. So always think, whatever you eat, your body needs to absorb it, not just to digest it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.